Calling all South Africans in and around Edinburgh, Yella, I have the best news for you of your whole life, especially if you come from Cape Town. There's a takeaway that's opened up in Musselburgh selling South African influenced foods. My bra, when I looked at the menu and I saw Gatsby, I died. I'm alive again. Like, can there really be a Gatsby? A place that's selling Gatsbys in Edinburgh? How did we get this lucky, guys? So die plek se naam is Laurie's Takeaways and I found them on Facebook. Yes, I'm old, I still use Facebook. Die tyd vir snaps nou besigheid soos julle jong mense nie. But apart from the Gatsby, guys, there's a pizza on there that we all know and love, the bacon, ava and feta. I died again, but I'm back. So I'm not in town this weekend, so if someone could please go and try this place out for me, I'll be forever grateful. And also today I'm stuck at work. Maybe I can pull a sick day. I'm sick. Reasons for absence? Listening a lekker gabba. Or maybe someone's driving by my work, just throw a chip out your car's window asseblief. I'll be like a seagull swooping down. Kaka! Anyways, Yella, that is Laurie's Takeaway in Musselburgh. Go follow them on Facebook asseblief, moenie so wees nie. Okay, bye!